Hello everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you the temporary car parking card, a handy tool for sharing your phone number when parking. Let's open this up. Inside, we find the parking card holder, number stickers, and a suction cup for easy mounting in the car. Now, let's set our phone number. We just peel off these stickers and place them on the card. It's really simple and customizable. This is great for temporary parking situations. You can easily change numbers and it's highly visible for anyone needing to contact you. A simple yet effective solution for car parking communication. Don't forget to subscribe to Everything for more reviews. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll reply to all. Next step is to attach it to the car. We use this suction cup to stick it onto the windshield or any smooth surface. It's quite sturdy and visible.